price drop right now.
Yes. Well, we do want to get an update on that fog situation we were mentioning. We saw that live look from the scene where Luke is at. Of course, that was a smog situation, but still a lot of people affected right now.
Yeah, a lot of fog here in the metro and northeast Alabama. Let's give you another view of the entire Way 31 Skycam network. We've been watching this Space and Rocket Center Skycam in particular throughout the morning. About an hour or so ago, we couldn't even see the rocket on Long 565. That just gives you an idea of how dense this fog has been. Muscle Shoals in pretty good shape. Some light fog, nothing too terribly dense. Gunnersville, much different story. We can barely see the water right now. And downtown Decatur is looking okay as well. Main concern area is going to be Madison County, particularly the eastern portions of the county, as well as northeast Alabama. Visibility is under a mile across the board in Sand Mountain, about 5 miles at Huntsville International Airport. So again, we've had some improvements along 565, but once you get past downtown towards Chapman Mountain, Montesano, that's when things get a little dicey. Bottom line, just plan on an extra 5 to 10 minutes for your morning commute. This fog is going to be with us for at least another hour, maybe 2 hours. But once that fog does lift, we really have a carbon copy of yesterday. More clouds than sunshine, and that 30% chance for a few of those pop-up showers and storms this afternoon. Because the rain coverage today is a little bit lower, our temperatures are going to be warmer. 87 is our forecast high on this Tuesday. And the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network is pretty quiet. Still watching a few light showers trying to scoot into Alabama from eastern Mississippi, but it looks as though the bulk of that activity will stay off to our south, very similar to what we saw yesterday morning. But let's give you the wide view across the southeastern U.S. We were mentioning throughout our morning newscast, talking about all that flooding that we saw in Dallas yesterday. They saw 10 to 12 inches of rain in less than 24 hours, and that low pressure is the reason why. This low will be very slow moving through the rest of the work week. You see that heavy rain in Louisiana, southern Arkansas, Mississippi as well. This is going to be the source for our rain chances through Thursday and maybe Friday too. But I want to be clear, we are not going to see the kind of rainfall totals that the folks in Dallas saw yesterday. Just a 30% chance for scattered storms today and tomorrow. By Thursday, that's when the low pressure is closest to North Alabama, thus the reason why we have higher rain chances on Thursday. We'll keep that chance for a few scattered storms in the forecast Friday before we finally start to dry things out this weekend. Here's future radar 10 o'clock this morning. Most of the showers still to our south, cloud cover not going anywhere. Then we start to see those downpours developing past the noon hour. This is 2 o'clock this afternoon. Storms start to wind down as we get past sunset. Pretty quiet overnight tonight. We'll see a bit more sunshine on Wednesday. That'll push high temperatures back to near 90, and we'll still have more of those spotty showers and storms around tomorrow afternoon before we dry things out yet again tomorrow night. Higher rainfall totals still expected to our south, where our southern tier of counties could see 1 to 2 inches of rain. The closer you are to the Alabama-Tennessee state line, the lighter rainfall amounts we'll see. Maybe a ½ inch or 1 inch of rain for areas like Fayetteville, Huntsville, Athens, and the Quad Cities. The heaviest rain, the most extreme rainfall amounts will just barely stay to our south and west. Folks in even western Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana could see 4 to 6 inches of rain over the next 2 to 3 days. Again, you're not going to see anything like that here in North Alabama. Not too worried about flooding, but we will keep those storm chances around through Friday. The weekend is looking mostly dry, but still warm and humid with those high temperatures back to near 90.
All right, Carson.